Today we had a very beautiful session by Let's Enterprise on design thinking.
Alright, start walking, team. Take your balance, take your balance. Alright, jump.
I had not experienced a teacher telling the things, and we did practical experience over there.
I got a lot of confidence today to speak up.
Today I came out of my fears, and today I have learned a lot of things in that workshop. I feel like that I have learned really good things and how to think out of box.
मैंने ये जाना कि खुद के लिए सिर्फ सेल्फिश ना होकर दूसरे के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी देख सकते हैं।
I really enjoyed attending this session, which gave me a lot of ideas.
The session was so good. Previously I was not thinking that the session will be so interesting and fun. It was a fantastic day, wonderful.
One thing that remains in my mind till now is that encourage whatever wild ideas you have, encourage it and just go for it, whatever it is.